Open the software and we open the files, multispectral file and the band image, and at the same time we can also open band number 8, which is panchromatic band and having a 15-meter resolution. As I mentioned now, that in order to get the image sharpened through the CN spectral sharpening, we will require the image should have the wavelength information in it. You can just check it when you will try to use this function, like low resolution input image is high resolution input image is this, and when you will try to use it, it will flash a message that the input file must have wavelength defined in order to use this routine. And it has also suggested that where you can do it, how to do it. Use file, edit ENVI header to define wavelength for these PNT no mask file. So say OK to it, and now go to the file, go to the edit ENVI header, and now select that file which the modification will require. This file, last, and now you can see edit attribute, and here you can select this wavelength option, and then you will select it. So you can select individual bands and then you can define the wavelengths. Now the question is that how to define it, from where this information will come. This information can be easily retrieved from the internet. Bandwidth, FWHM wavelength, center wavelength. So this table is important. This is the authentic information. You can see this is Landsat. And number 1, if it is in nanometer, 442.96. Say OK. Now go to FWHM. .60. Say OK. Can also do it for band number 8. .50, 589.5. .172.40. And now we can see, yes, it has come here, and these have also. And we will try transform, image sharpening, scene spectral sharpening, coarse resolution is Pantnagar subset, say OK. High resolution is band number 8, say OK. And now yes, it is asking you to give the name. Choose. Now it has created this image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. And now you can see. If you see, I think this is the best product among all. breath with this. And the color was same, almost same. Only thing is that the pixel size decreased, that means the resolution has improved. Otherwise you can see all the colors which are available in this post resolution image, all those colors are. So that this seems to be the best image sharpening algorithm.